How to sign up for Snapchat 2021. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Snapchat account, and also I'm going to show you how you can verify your email on Snapchat. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, and if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. So to create a Snapchat account, first download Snapchat app on your smartphone. And the process will be same on Android and iPhones. So once you download and install Snapchat on your smartphone, open Snapchat and click on sign up and click on continue. And if it asks you to access your contacts, you can click on deny or allow. Here I'm clicking on allow, and then also I'm gonna click on allow. And here to create a Snapchat account, first put your first name and then put your last name. So let me fill up this information real quick. So after putting your first name and last name, click on sign up and accept. And here enter your birthday. So let me select my date of birth real quick. After selecting your date of birth, click on continue. And if you want to change your username, click on change my username. And here you can change your username. You can create a new username. So let me do this real quick. After changing your username, click on continue and then set a password, and the password should be at least 8 characters. So let me create a password real quick. So after creating your password, click on continue. And if you want to sign up with email address, you can click on here sign up with email instead, and you can sign up with email. And if you want to sign up with your phone number, you can click on sign up with phone number instead, and you can sign up with your phone number. So here I'm selecting sign up with email. After putting your phone number or email, click on continue and then also click on continue. And here you can send friend requests to your contacts. So here I'm adding 5 of them. After that, click on continue and then click on turn on and click on allow and again click on allow. Now let's click on this profile icon. And here you can see this is how you can create a Snapchat account. And if you want to verify your email or phone number, click on this gear icon and click on your phone number or email and enter your email or phone number and click on save. Now Snapchat will send you a verification email to your email address and you're gonna verify there. So let me check my email real quick. So Snapchat will send you a verification email like this to your email address, and here you can confirm your email. So to verify your email on Snapchat, click on confirm email. And here you can read my email address has been successfully verified. So now let's check it out on Snapchat. And here you can see this is how you can create a Snapchat account and verify your email address on Snapchat. And if you found this video is helpful, please hit that subscribe button and also like button. And if you want to delete your Snapchat account permanently, watch this video and I will see you in the next one.